Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to go over our science fiction syllabus for the 2020 school year. I know that some things may be different throughout this school year, but our syllabus still pretty much reads the same. That this is a 2-semester course, is filled with projects and activities that will boost a student's critical thinking habits, improve collaborative participation, grow creativity, and develop communication skills through writing and discussions related to literary readings. We will focus on exploration of the literary world through several novels, short stories, and poems throughout the year. So as you can see, my email is listed at the top if you should ever need to contact me. In this course, we will be covering Brave New World, which is a dystopian style novel. We will also read the Shakespearean play A Midsummer Night's Dream. We will have some different optional novels such as The House of the Scorpion, and a variety of poems and short stories that cover genres such as high fictional content, technology fiction, science fiction, horror, and dystopian literature. As far as our materials, they are linked on Schoology, and I have already created a classroom tour so that way you can go view that and see where all of your assignments are linked. Once again, please feel free to email me if you have any questions, and I highly recommend emailing through Schoology since you should not use your own personal email. I won't be able to respond in that manner. Alright, make sure that you are bringing a pencil, class notes, and enthusiasm to learn. As far as the grading policy, I actually go over that every week in our agenda. So make sure that you are following the grading policy as it is listed there. And then in our welcome video that you may have already seen, I introduce myself and go into a little bit of detail, but just so you know, my name is Miss Brenner. I am your instructor for science fiction, and I live in Lidditz, Pennsylvania, so only 10 minutes away from Manheim Central High School. I graduated from Millersville University. I love doing outside things like hiking, kayaking, and other outdoor activities. I like video games, and I also have 3 cats. Technically, they live with my parents, and their names are Bert, Stewie, and Leonard. And that's about all that I have to say. I hope that you all have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.